Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with City National Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your monthly income. List all sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and side jobs. Next, identify your fixed expenses. These are costs that remain the same each month, such as rent or mortgage payments. Now, compile your variable expenses. Variable expenses can include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, categorize them into essential and non-essential spending. Essential spending includes necessities like housing, utilities, and food. Non-essential spending encompasses luxury items and activities. With this information, determine how much money is left after covering your essential expenses. This leftover amount can be designated for your savings and discretionary spending. Open a budget spreadsheet or use a budgeting app for better tracking. Input your income and expenses into this tool. This allows for real-time updates and adjustments as necessary. Set monthly savings goals based on your leftover funds. Aim to save a specific percentage of your income each month. Consider creating an emergency fund if you haven't already. Typically, aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in this fund. Review your budget regularly, ideally on a monthly basis. Adjust for any changes in income or expenses that may arise. Utilize City National Bank's budgeting tools and resources. Their services can help simplify the budgeting process. Monitor your progress towards your savings goals each month. This will help in staying motivated and adjusting your strategies as needed. Incorporate discipline into your spending habits. Avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. Finally, celebrate your achievements as you meet your budgeting goals. This reinforces positive financial behavior and strengthens your budgeting skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.